Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Firebase Studio project. All right, let's begin. To start, open Firebase Studio in your browser and log in with your primary Google account. Using your main account is crucial to avoid any permission errors during the process. Once you are logged in, locate and open the specific project you wish to download. Navigate to the Explorer section on the left-hand side, which displays all your application's code files. Right-click on the main project folder and select the Zip and Download option. This will package your entire project into a zip file and begin the download to your computer. Once the download is finished, locate the file and extract it. On Windows, right-click and choose Extract All, or simply double-click the file if you are using a Mac. Open the newly extracted folder, right-click the source file, and select Open with Code to view your project in Visual Studio Code. You can also use other editors like Cursor if you prefer. Always ensure you are on your primary account if the download fails. So that's basically how you can download Firebase Studio project. That's it for this video. Thanks.